I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that your Moto Edge 50 Neo supports Qi charging and that your charger is Qi certified. This ensures safe power transfer. Once confirmed, plug the charger into a USB-C PD adapter rated for at least 15W and place it on a flat, stable surface. Make sure to remove bulky cases and metal attachments so the phone's coil can align precisely. Then position the phone centrally. Small shifts can change charging efficiency, so align to the charge. Once the phone is sitting on the pad, watch for the charging animation and pad LED. Those confirm power flow and correct alignment. If you need faster or steadier charging, close heavy apps and set the screen off, because wireless loses efficiency with heat. Make micro adjustments. Half a centimeter can matter until the charging indicator stays solid. If you intend overnight charging, enable battery care features to limit peak charge to extend battery health and reduce heat buildup. When the phone reaches full charge, remove it from the pad and unplug the adapter to conserve energy and reduce wear. If you don't see charging, swap the cable or adapter and try another Qi device to isolate the fault. This narrows whether the phone, pad, or cable is failing. If the phone or pad becomes hot, immediately stop charging, allow at least 10 to 20 minutes to cool, and retry with better ventilation. Persistent heat indicates hardware or case-related issues needing repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.